Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka B.Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend, and welcome back to the channel. Baby, we are playing with color today, honey. We're gonna play with MAC's newest Powder Kiss eyeshadow and liquid lip. So, you know what to do. Grab that cocktail, grab that juice, and let's get started. Let's go. All right, what y'all sipping on over there? I got a little whiskey and ginger ale with a little splash of lime in me. So, cheers to you. So, MAC sent me their newest Powder Kiss eyeshadow in Lipcolour. And baby, when I tell you, it is soft, it is matte, it is moisturizing. I have completely met my perfect match. And I'm so excited because I'm like, you know what? We unboxed it together. Let's do some makeup together. So I already have my face on. Just to kind of give you a little recap of what the doll's wearing. I am wearing, y'all know I got a tan, right? So I had to do a little concoction. But I have on a little Studio Fix powder, Pro Long Wear concealer, a little Studio Fix concealer underneath my under eye area, a little powder for a good old contour, and I did eyebrow styler in the brows, you know, yes, brow snatched. And I'm gonna do mascara and all the other great jazz after we do our eye look. So today we're gonna play with 4 different eyeshadows. What Clout, which is this beautiful like cognac color, ooh, love it. Lens Blur, which is this beautiful fuchsia, magenta. Devoted to Chili, it's like the best burnt pumpkin color, love. And this one is broke, so I can't do a lot of tilting, but this one is called Give a Glam, and this is this burnt chocolate color. So we're gonna play around with these 4 shades on the eyes. We're gonna make it fun. You can take it how you want, dissect it and make it your own, but let's just start. I'm so excited. So first up, I'm taking a little bit of Devoted to Chili on a fluffy brush. This is this nice fluffy powder brush. Look how much color comes off of that. Let me tell you something. These mattes are not to be played with, honey. Roar. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm sweeping this in because this is gonna be a layer of blush for me. And I'm just gonna pull it up into my temple. So we're playing around with placement today in color. Merging it into, obviously, the contour and pulling it in. So we're gonna work in layers, and that's why I love using a fluffy brush, because it allows you to work in layers to control how much color you're putting on, so you don't go overboard too quick. So we're gonna start with the Devoted to Chili just to kind of warm me up. A little Lens Blur on the other side of that brush. Pick that up, look at that color. I'm gonna be strategic and I'm gonna pounce it right here first. Y'all see that? I tell you, it's so concentrated. Perfect. Take my brush, wipe off the excess in the back of my hand. Why not? It's my palette. We're gonna take that and we're just gonna pull that down and bring it up a little higher. So I'm getting this ombre effect that's happening here and I'm liking it. But look how smooth these colors are. Now, I'm not gonna use an eyeshadow primer, but I am gonna use a fluffy brush, and we're gonna take Devoted to Chili first, and we're gonna wrap it around my eye. Devoted to Chili, fluffy brush, tap off the excess. Starting in the middle of the eye, I'm gonna press the brush on. Do y'all see it? Do y'all see that? Look how intense this is. And I'm just gonna go side to side sweeping, bringing this up into my socket. What you do to one side, you do to the other. Voila. Ooh, chow. I need a sip. I'm gonna take it and we're gonna wrap this underneath. I'm gonna drop it just a little. I'm gonna wrap it this way. So now I'm doing a C motion underneath and above. And I'm gonna take it and bring it all the way in. Back down. Now, you can absolutely use eyeshadow primer, but I did it without it because I know how pigmented these colors are and I love how smooth they go on and diffuse. Now, if you know, You gotta go and go all day. Add that insurance of that eyeshadow primer. It's okay. Feel like the line out of the color purple. Miss Sealy, I feel like dancing. Cause we about to use a little bit of purple, y'all. Yes. So we're gonna take this. And this one is called Lens Blur. And we're gonna work on top of it. So again, going on top, pulling it up. I'm gonna take whatever's left and just whisper that underneath my brow, just for a little bit of color. See that? So now my skin still kind of peeks through, but it's not like a full blast of color. Wrapping it underneath. Love me some Powder Kiss. And if you need to, you can always go back in to clean up underneath once you're done. But I just thought about like, let's play around with it. Let's do non-traditional placement. Because obviously we know what traditional placement looks like, so why not, why be in the box? Play with color, honey. Live out loud. Add a little bit more right through here. So I'm kind of pulling it out just gently to kind of meet where the Devoted to Chili is. Look okay? Y'all still with me? Perfect. I'm now gonna take my fan brush with both colors Devoted to Chili and Lens Blur, and we're just gonna go back and forth in between the two, creating a nice little sandstorm of color. And we're just gonna buff this in together. So we're really wrapping it around, almost creating this beautiful, like wash and melange of color. Yes. Right on the apple. Brilliant, darling, gorgeous. I'm gonna take a flat, fluffy brush. This is the 287 brush by MAC. It looks like this, like that, with Give a Glam. And because it's broken, it almost acts like a loose pigment for me, so I'm just gonna use very little. I'm gonna just dust off the excess in the back of my hand. See how much pigment comes off? Ooh, cha. And we're gonna sneak this in underneath, side to side, and on top, very lightly, just to give a little bit of depth on the outer corners. Ooh, super simple, super soft, but yet cute. So what it's doing is kind of actually making the eye look a little bit more elongated. I'm here for it. Y'all know, I am still in love with House of Petunia by Tiana Taylor. If y'all didn't get y'all some yet, what y'all waiting for? Same fan brush, dust off the excess, grab you some House of Petunia handy, and now go in and layer just a little bit of that glow in between here just to break up the color some. And because there's already a little bit of color left on this, it just kind of does a really great job merging it all together. It's like cooking in the same skillet, it just makes everything flavorful. What? Who is a glow getter? Me. I'm telling you, this is so cute. I love, love, love this highlighter. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Come on. Yes. Go ahead and do a little down the bridge of the nose, why not? House of Petunia is life. Come on, life. I'm gonna take a little bit of What Clout. You know, it's that like nude color, slight cognac. Just kind of brighten up the lid. So where we left it open, I'm just gonna take a little, press it in. Look how that naturally looks like my skin. I'm just gonna take that and pull that all the way up underneath my brow. So that way there's something on the lid and it doesn't get oily. But it looks so natural. Look at What clout indeed. Yes, God. When was the last time y'all did a whole look, a whole eye look using nothing but mattes? Ugh, I love it. We're gonna take a little bit of matte chromographic pencil in NW25 NT30 because I don't wanna use white in the waterline, but I do wanna make my eyes appear a lot brighter, especially with me wrapping my eye with all this color. So before I do like mascara and lips, I'm going to take a fluffy brush with a little bit of Studio Fix powder, and right around the corners of my nostril here and meeting right where the highlight is, we're just gonna put a little powder here just to kind of give us a little bit of contrast, but also cleaning up just a pinch. So we're brightening up in here. Let's curl them lashes. A little Prep and Prime lip, because you know this makes everything last longer and smoother on the lips. Look at these colors. I'm gonna use Date Maker and Burning Love to create just like a nice sorbet type of color. So, Date Maker first. Look how smooth that is. Look how smooth that goes on. Yes. I'm gonna actually use my fingers. This completely blurs the lip texture and it's so hydrating that I actually like to tap, tap, tap. That's pretty by itself. You can absolutely use a liner. I'm gonna take a little bit of Burning Love. Use a fluffy brush this go round. Take a little bit of that Burning Love off the center of the wand. And we're gonna tap it in the center. And you know what to do. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this up close view and playing in a little bit of color, utilizing Max Powder Kiss eyeshadows and liquid lip. You know what to do, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and leave me a comment. And so next time, take care of yourself and be safe. Bye.